Let us all stand for our prayer. Kisil, you lead the prayer. Ever this day at my side, to light and guide, to rule and guard. Amen. Thank you, Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, so how are you feeling today?
Happy.
Okay, you are happy. So now I will check your attendance. Say present when your name is called. Gian Supremo.
Present.
Jewel Sidano.
Present.
Giselle Cagado.
Present.
Okay, so none of you are absent. So before we start our lesson for today, I will read first the classroom rules. Okay, so first rule is you will
Raise your hand.
Okay, you will raise your hand. It means that when you want to answer or when I ask you a question, you need to raise your hand first. Second is
Listen.
okay, you need to listen to me when I am discussing. Next is
Be a friend.
okay, you need to be a friend to your fellow classmates. So if one of you needs help, don't hesitate to give her your help. Next is
Help clean up.
okay, so once you arrive at our classroom, you need to pick up the garbages under your seats, and before you leave, you also need to pick up the trashes under your seats. Okay, so that is our classroom rules. So now, do you want to get energized? Yes? Do you want to get energized?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start. So, please stand up. So, I will play a music, a video in this laptop, and we will follow it. Pastor! Okay, so that's it. So let's give each other a bird clap. Do you know the bird clap?
Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, tweet, tweet. 1, 2, tweet, tweet. 1, 2, tweet, 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 tweet. Oh, did you have fun with our energizer today?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, so now I have here a picture of a, what is it?
Butterfly.
Yes, a butterfly. So, what can you say about the picture of the butterfly? This-
Beautiful, pretty.
Okay, so the butterfly is beautiful and pretty. So, what can you say about its color?
Orange, yellow,
Okay, so the color of the butterfly is yellow and orange. So now, if I fold this picture, is the left side wing similar to the right side wing?
yes.
Okay, yes, so the left side is similar to the right side. Who can recall the topic that we tackled yesterday? Yes, Jewel.
Our lesson yesterday was all about symmetry.
Yes, so our lesson yesterday was all about symmetry. So, what is symmetry? Full answer. Yes, Giselle.
Symmetry, the quality of having parts that match each other.
Okay, so your answers are correct. So today we will proceed to our next topic, which is please read all together.
Line of symmetry.
Yes, our topic today is line of symmetry. So who among you here have an idea what line of symmetry is? Yes, Gian.
One half
Okay, so you answered that line of symmetry is one half reflection of the other half. Who else? Who else have an idea what line of symmetry is? Anyone?
Yes.
Yes, Kisel.
The axis or imaginary line that passes the center of the shape.
Yes, correct. So your answers are all correct. So line of symmetry line of symmetry
Is line that has a shape exactly and half. This means that if you were to fold the shape along the line, both halves would match
exactly. So line of symmetry is line that cuts a shape exactly in half. This means that if you were to fold the shape along the line, both halves would match exactly. Just like what we did on the butterfly earlier. Diba? We fold it into half. And then the left side wing is similar to the right side wing. So, please read all together.
Shapes have symmetry when you can draw a line that will divide them into two equal parts.
So, a shape have symmetry when you can draw a line that will divide them into two equal parts. So, therefore, the picture of the butterfly earlier have a symmetry because we can draw a line at the center. So what do you call that line again? Who will answer? Yes, Jewel.
Line of symmetry.
Yes, that is called the line of symmetry. So, now let's try to draw a line of symmetry in this shape, which is a, what do you call this shape? What do you call this shape? Is this circle? Oh, what is this? It's a
Triangle.
It's a square.
Square. No,
Okay. So now we will try to draw a line of symmetry on that square. How many lines of symmetry can we draw from this square? Guess, you guess. 4. How about you, Jewel?
7.
How about you, Kisel? You guess.
4.
4. So you think that this square has 4, 7, and 4 line of symmetry. So let's see. So we will start now. So first, we will draw a line of symmetry in this square in a horizontal form. So this is 1. Another is
Okay. Sabi ng Dr. Francia, ba't ayaw nyo? Kung yun ang bang maging dahilan para siya po ay normal at makakalakad na ng kanyang
next.
ba't ayaw nyo pumayag?
Yung operasyon po therapy, yung sa hydrocephalus, yung sa utak niya, may tubig daw, therapy.
Medyo mas-
3 and then
Pwede makausap.
4.
Jeffrey. Ay, hapon, sir.
So 4.
Kuya.
So who got the right guess?
Diba, sir? Bubuluntin ka
Gian
pa,
and
ano?
Kisel. So this square has
4.
4 line of
Samantalang
symmetry. Yes, this square 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, for you to fully understand what line of symmetry is, I have here another figures. First, figure.
Hindi mo kaya mag-online.
Okay, so who will volunteer? Do you wanna try to draw a line of symmetry in these figures? Yes, so you want to try. Okay, you try, Gian. You draw a line of symmetry in this figure.
Okay, ano alam niya kung magkano wheelchair? Okay, bakit gusto mo ng wheelchair? O, sige. Approve. Wheelchair lang. Ano pa?
Okay.
Ano pang kinahanglan mo? Ano pang kailangan mo?
So how about this one? Who will try? Yes, Jewel, you try.
Birthday. Ano sa mga birthday mo? July 13. Next month. Which year at birthday?
Oh, plus 29.
Plus 29.
Oh.
Oh, man. Sir. Sir.
Okay, so Gian, draw a line of symmetry in this figure in a vertical form. Jewel also draw a line of symmetry in this figure in a vertical form. So, this is correct. So, how many line of symmetry can you draw in this figure? One. Yes, very good. How about this one? How many? One also. So, let's read all together.
Pictures with symmetry are described as symmetrical.
So, pictures with symmetry are described as symmetrical. So, these figures are symmetrical because they have line of symmetry. Now, we will proceed to our activity. So, for today's activity, I will divide the class into 3 groups. And each group will be given a figure to be observed. Then, what you will do is, you need to draw lines of symmetry in this figure, in each figure. Then, you will write how many lines of symmetry did you draw. Am I understood?
Yes.
Then after, you will give a brief explanation why the shapes assigned to you are symmetrical. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so now for group 1, group 2, and group 3. So, I will give you 5 minutes to complete the activity. Okay, you may start now. Oh, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, so now we will start with group 1. You share your answers and your explanation why that shape is symmetrical.
A pentagon has 5 line of symmetry. It is symmetrical because its sides are similar.
Okay, let's give group 1 a big hand. Next, group 2.
A heptagon was has 7 line of symmetry. It is symmetrical because it is its parts match each other.
Okay, let's give a hand to group 2. Next, group 3.
A regular octagon has less lines of symmetry. It is symmetrical because each sides are equal and lifting.
Okay, so let's give a hand to group 3. Okay, so for group 1, you got a 50 points. Group 2, 50 points also, and group 3. So that means that all of you got a perfect score. So let's give each other a hand. So okay, so I will get this first. So you will answer this one. What you will do is you identify if the dotted line on each shape shows a line of symmetry. Write yes or no inside each shape. So, if you think that this shape has a line of symmetry, you will write yes. And if no, then you will write no. Okay. So, I will provide you a worksheet. Okay. So, I will give you 5 minutes to do it. So, you may start now. Okay, last 1 minute.
Finish. Finish.
So, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, now we will check your answers. So, we will check your answers. So, exchange your papers. Exchange. Okay. Number one. What is your answer? Yes or no?
Yes. No.
No?
No.
No. What's your answer?
No.
No. Kisel, what's your answer?
Yes.
Yes. So, number one is, the answer is no. It doesn't show a line of symmetry. So, who got the correct answer for number one? Raise your hands. Okay, so number two. What's your answer? Yes or no? Number two.
No.
Gian, what's your answer?
No.
Jewel.
No.
Kisel.
No.
No. So, yes, the answer is no. So, who got the correct answer for number two? Yes. So, number three. What's your answer? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Yes. This shape shows a line of symmetry. How about number four?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Yes. It also shows a line of symmetry. How about number five? What's your answer?
No. No.
Okay, correct. It's no. How about the last number? Number six. What's your answer? Number six.
Yes.
How about the others? What's your answer for number six?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So, 3, 4, and 6 shows a line of symmetry, while 1, 2, and 5 doesn't show a line of symmetry. So, who got a perfect score? Pass your paper. Who got the perfect score? So, Kisil and Gian got a perfect score. Who got 5? See? Yung saan yung paper ka? Kajibel. Because all of you almost got a perfect score, it means that you understand our discussion today. So now, for me to monitor your understanding, I have here a rectangle. So, if I fold the rectangle this way, so what have you observed? Anyone who will answer? Raise your hand if you want to answer. Yes, Kisel.
The rectangle is not divided.
Yes, the rectangle is not equally divided. So, but if I fold the rectangle this way, what have you observed? Who'll answer? Yes, Jewel.
The rectangle equally divided.
Yes, the rectangle is equally divided. Okay. Before we end our class today, I will ask you questions regarding the topic that we tackled earlier. So, again, what is line of symmetry? Yes? Yes? Yes. Yes, Kisel.
Line of symmetry is line that cuts a shape exactly in half.
Okay, so line of symmetry is a line that cuts a shape exactly in half. So, if a picture have a symmetry, what do you call that? That is called, yes, Jewel.
That is called symmetrical.
Okay, so that is called symmetrical. How about if you draw a line that can divide a shape into two equal parts? What do you call? What does that shape have? Yes, Gian.
Symmetrical.
Is it symmetrical or symmetry?
Symmetry.
Okay, yes, that's correct. So, that is called, the shape has a symmetry. Okay, so now I want you to get your assignment notebook. Assignment notebook, and then you write it on your assignment notebook. So, for test 1, you will draw a line of symmetry on each shape. So, for test 2, identify if the English letters shown are cut at the line of symmetry. Put a check if yes and X if no. Okay. So, I hope that you've learned something on the discussion that we have today. Okay, because all of you cooperated and listened to my discussion earlier, I have something for you, a reward. So, okay, this is for you, Gian, Jewel, and Kisel. So, that's it for today, class. Goodbye and thank you. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher.